Welcome to Taiju's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you Nebuta Festival. So as you can see, I'm back in Japan, all the way in the north part of Aomori Prefecture. Every year in the beginning of August, there's a very big festival called Nebuta. This is a very traditional festival. This is probably very little known outside Japan, but if you're living in Japan, you definitely have heard of this, and many people want to go this at least once in a lifetime. This is very difficult to book in advance. Our family actually planned this last year. This was already full in March. So this year we tried to book in January and it finally worked out. And so I really hope you enjoy this very unique traditional Japanese festival. Then, let's get started. So this is the hotel we stayed in. It's an old Ryokan. As in Japanese houses, you need to take off the shoes and put them in lockers called getabako. Here's the room that we stayed. This is a very typical ryokan room with tatami mattress, but of course without beds. But don't worry, these futon mattresses are folded in oshiire. And outside the window there was a small stream as well. Then I got to the bus to get to the center of Aomori City, where the festivals are held, which took about an hour. This is the Aomori Central Station. Then I got off the bus and walked around a bit. Then I got to a fish market to get some lunch. They had lots of local fresh seafood. Crabs, different shellfish, also a variety of dried seafood. Since Aomori is famous for scallops, I decided to get a fresh one for myself. Look how big this is. Itadakimasu. It was so sweet and so delicious. And I also want to get some oysters because Aomori produces a lot of them as well. Get some lemon juice on it. Can you see how big this oyster is? This is also very rich in flavor and so delicious. And then to get real lunch, I found this restaurant where they serve kaisen don, which is raw seafood over rice. Then I got outside and looked for a place to watch the parade. In the streets there were many people taking spots for the parade. Also, as I walked around, I encountered these people dressed in traditional clothing of yukata in a very unique way. These people are called haneto, meaning jumping people.
who walk along the parade to cheer up the crowd. Some of them have these special bright hats. There are also some stores selling Nebuta related goods. Then around 1 o'clock, the day part of the parade has begun. These are the haneto, as you can see jumping vigorously. Then comes the main event of Nebuta. Pushed only manually by about 20 people. These Nebuta has always the front and the back side, showing different but related motifs. These motifs are chosen from either Japanese historical figures, Japanese or Chinese mythologies, and folktales. They also made Nebuta for the sponsors. Then I went to a Nebuta Museum. They show the history of Nebuta and also what Nebuta Parade consists of. First a group of haneto, jumping people, and then the Nebuta floats, and then followed by the musicians. Then they showed also award-winning Nebuta of the previous years. Can you see how big these Nebuta floats are? They look so lively, as if they're about to move. And they also show how the Nebuta looks from the inside, how they're constructed, how they're lit. These are made only with woods, wires, and papers. This won the best award from the year before. And here's the back side of it. And these demons look so alive. Then it was getting time for the evening parade. The streets were getting crowded and many street vendors started to sell finger foods. Then the evening parade started with the mayor of Aomori City leading the way. In the evening, the excitement were much higher. Then unfortunately we had to leave before the end to catch the bus. But I really enjoyed it and I hope I was able to capture the excitement of the festival. Thank you so much for watching and hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.